Up, Mr. Raza was fixing a light, smiling, working with all his might. Suddenly he held his chest down, no, and slowly fell down, moving slow. Ollie ran from just nearby, saw him down and gave a cry. Call the help, he shouted aloud, then pushed through the worried crowd. First, I called the ambulance fast. He dialed the number, didn't wait or ask. Then he checked if Mr. Raza would speak, but he was silent, pale and weak. He checked for breath, no air at all. No time to wait, I must stand tall. He placed both hands upon the chest and counted 30, doing his best. Push, 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 nice and strong. Not too fast, not too long. Then he gave 2 rescue breaths, helping him fight from near death. Push and breathe, don't stop the beat, till the ambulance arrives on street. Soon Mr. Raza moved his eyes. Ollie smiled and heard his sighs.